Waakye recipe. Ingredients: 2 cups of rice, 1 cup of black-eyed peas or red beans, 2 to 3 dried millet leaves or bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, water. For the Waakye stew: 2 large tomatoes, chopped, 1 large onion, chopped, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon of ginger, minced, 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, adjust to taste, 1 teaspoon of dried shrimp, optional, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, salt to taste. For serving: fried plantains, hard-boiled eggs, shito, Ghanaian black pepper sauce, curry, grated cassava. Instructions: rinse the rice and black-eyed peas thoroughly under cold water. In a large pot, combine the rice, black-eyed peas, millet leaves, baking soda, salt, and enough water to cover everything by about 2 inches. Bring the mixture to a boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and simmer for about 25 to 30 minutes or until the rice and peas are tender. Check occasionally and add more water if needed. While the Waakye cooks, prepare the stew. Heat the vegetable oil in a separate pan over medium heat. Add the chopped onions and cook until softened and translucent, about 3 to 4 minutes. Stir in the minced garlic, ginger, and red pepper flakes. Cook for another 2 minutes. Add the chopped tomatoes and dried shrimp, if using. Cook until the tomatoes break down and the mixture thickens slightly, about 10 to 15 minutes. Season the stew with salt to taste. Once the Waakye is cooked, remove the millet leaves and discard. Serve the Waakye hot, topped with the tomato stew. Garnish with fried plantains, hard-boiled eggs, shito, and gori.